Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you my new favorite workout accessory. These are the Tommaso Pista women's cycling shoe. Now, I love cycling, but oftentimes I'm rushing out to get the door to class and then rushing to get on my spin shoes before the class starts. So I got these so that I'm not late for every class. And the first thing I loved when I got these is that they're cycle ready. As you can see, the cleats have been pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about screwing them in and wondering if you did it right and they're gonna come off. No, you are good to go. These are the Delta cleats, which is what my spin bikes require, and they easily clip into the bike. Now, something else that I appreciate is the little heel that you have here. I oftentimes run errands after class, and walking around in these is not cumbersome at all. They come with Velcro straps, which makes them easy to slip on and off. But my favorite thing about these shoes is how breathable, flexible, and light they are. My feet don't get hot and sweaty in them, and I haven't even had to break in these shoes, which is a first for me. I never had any blisters or soreness from wearing these new shoes. So if you're looking for new spin shoes, I recommend these ones from Tommaso, and that is my point of view.